Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about doing a rainbow DIY. I know there are many people who are passionate about doing DIYs, so stay tuned until the end of this video.
Items required to do a DIY: rope, Fevicol and glue gun, threads, and a bead. I have aligned a rope first to check on the length I would require to do a rainbow DIY. I am cutting the rope at the ends. This is how it looks once the cutting is done. Now I will make a mark with a pen on the rope to tie a thread. You can see the pen mark on the rope, which will be for my reference to tie a thread. Make sure you're tying a thread nearby so that it gives a very good finish. Now we have to untangle the corners of the rope with the help of comb and trim it with the scissors. Here is the final outcome of Pastel Rainbow DIY. I will link all the details in the description box for you to shop online. So you can use this as a home decor, and also kids and adults can try this at home. Hope you all have liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.